Good morning, everybody. Okay, hold on, I gotta go fix Santa. Good morning, everybody. Happy Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve at the time of filming. Probably be next week by the time you see this, but I hope you had a Merry Christmas Eve. My Christmas Eve has started off on a poor note, because one, Santa's drunk and falls over like he has been doing all holiday season. And two, late last evening, Christmas Eve, we got a phone call from Cracker Barrel, who we had placed an order for a prime rib dinner from to feed our family on this Christmas Eve. 6 o'clock, less than 24 hours before we're supposed to pick it up, get a call. They oversold, and we don't get our prime rib. I'm sure they oversold. I'm sure there's not some other shenanigans going on, and I'm sure there's no way they knew sooner than 24 hours before we were supposed to pick it up, leaving us basically no time to do anything but take their ham meal as a secondary option. Now, there's been, supply chain issues throughout the world over, the recent times, but I have it on good authority that there is plenty of prime rib available. Hold on. You know where to look. So, starting my Christmas Eve out by doing the one thing I would never want to do on Christmas Eve, going out and about. I'm going to try to find a prime rib because I am determined how to have this prime rib. We had prime rib as part of our Christmas Eve dinner like 3 years ago, and it was incredible, and I've been wanting it ever since. It's dead set that it was coming back this year thanks to Cracker Barrel offering it. Fake news. The last minute thing, they knew before last night that they weren't going to have the prime rib, but calling less than 24 hours before, I told Jessica to cancel the whole thing, but she rightly said, we don't have time to pull together a meal from scratch. I'm pretty sure Cracker Barrel knew that, so we're stuck switching from prime rib to ham. Just so we can still have all the vegetable sides, desserts, and all that other crap. Thanks, Cracker Barrel, but old Uncle Mad Claus is here to save Christmas. I'm gonna go try to find a prime rib. It's probably gonna cost me like $500. Probably gonna get beat up going out to the stores on Christmas Eve, but it is what it is. Merry Christmas, Cracker Barrel. Stupid drunk Santa Claus has keeled over again. Despite Cracker Barrel's Grinch-like spirit in trying to ruin Christmas, Uncle Mad has saved Christmas. I shouldn't go that far. I haven't even cooked this yet. Let's wait until this is cooked and tastes delicious before I say that I saved Christmas. Delete, retract, disavow. Should be taking this out of the bag. And now the prime rib is coated in buttery, garlicky, herby goodness. All set to go in the oven so that we might devour it later. This actually came bone in, but the bone in part was a little bit split from the rest of it, so saving that later. Gonna have some ribs sometime later on this week. Love it when a plan comes together. Jess, will you go make sure Sissy has clothes on so I can put this in the oven and not see her unmentionables? Right, I don't want this to be the anti-Cracker Barrel Christmas vlog, but look at this. In addition to being stingy with the prime rib, they didn't even put the catering stuff in cooking pans this year like they usually do. They put them in these crappy plastic ones. And Jessica had to put them in a baking dish herself like some kind of peasant.
Like some kind of poor person. Like I have to put it in my own dish.
Cracker Barrel's not gonna be happy when they see this.
You need to tag Cracker Barrel in this bull.
Hashtag crack the barrel. Okay, we just heard bells downstairs, so we gotta go see what was going on downstairs. Could be elves, could be anything. Who knows? Could be Batman.
Oh my god!
This is from the elf.
No, that's from Santa.
Oh my gosh.
What does it say, Bubs? Merry
And it's all
Christmas.
sparkles.
Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Let's see what's in it.
Is there anything for me?
So much glitter.
Is there anything for Uncle Matt in there? Is there anything for Uncle Matt?
Is that mine?
Is it for Uncle Matt?
I think it probably was for Daddy.
And among the first wave of gifts being open, the prime rib has also emerged from ye old oven. I ran into a wall. There's Mr. Cat.
You leave everything.
Somebody who will remain unnamed teamed up with another animal. Oh, he's running away now. He's been caught. To eat an entire log of cheese.
2 logs of cheese.
2 logs of cheese.
Now Charlie found the leftover bacon bits on the ground.
He needs to be outside. He's going to poop all over the place. If
He already pooped outside.
He's got a whole log inside of him. There's a lot more to come. I
He's
have a
got logs
feeling.
coming
I
out
can't
of him.
believe Oli and
What you got there,
Charlie
Cape
worked
Cod?
together to get that food
No.
off.
Charlie did too?
Oh my God. That is how it's done. You don't get any of this. You ate all the cheese. Why didn't you protect them? You were supposed to be defending the cheese. All right. Dinner is served, and we've got all the carbs. Yes.
Like real perfume.
New Disney Ray-Bans. The wife did good. All right, Jess, to give us a rundown of what you got in your haul for Christmas. What all we got here?
Well, these are all my favorite things. I just took a picture of them. I got my super sexy Ian Malcolm picture from my husband because he appreciates my love of Jeff Goldblum. I got this.
What, you got Oli?
No, I thought I gave him.
Merry
a
Christmas.
Can I have my Bailey's coffee? I got this super awesome Death Star cheese board. So it's got stuff in there. Sabrina, my German friend, is going to be really jealous of this. So we can use this at parties. My super sweet grandma had this scarf specially made with my initial on it, which I got to call her in a little bit and say thank you. My mommy got me this awesome coffee table book for the office, which I'm really interested in going through that and seeing all the information that's in there. My husband, who loves me, got me my favorite perfume from Louis Vuitton and had my last name engraved on the bottle. So that's fantastic.
You got Larry.
No. My husband also got me a new Apple TV, even though I kind of feel like this was a little bit of a present for himself.
Oh, that you needed it.
I feel like this is a present for himself because he keeps talking about how we need.
What is this? The Marauders map?
Don't be stupid. My husband also got me this cute little glass that we saw in Disney World. Get out of here, Oli. And my sister and my brother-in-law got me this blanket. It is a map of Middle Earth from like Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit and all that stuff. So this is the Lonely Mountain, and this is where Smaug the Dragon is, and there's the secret door where you speak friend and you enter and you go in there. And no, that's not speak friend and enter. That is from Moria. This is the one where he's the burglar and sneaks in, and the dragon.
And this is the one with the little wizard boy.
No, and the dragon sits on the treasure that they stole from the people that live over here. No, that's Dale. Where's the town?
Okay.
Well, I can't find the town right now.
know,
Or is it right there? There's
Okay, now here's a look at my haul. Got this sick Rock vs. Stone Cold Roosevelt shirt. Ghostbusters Roosevelt's shirt. Manchester United beanie. Jurassic Park socks. They're not helping. Ah. Are you a god? Are you annoying? Yes. Just keep all these boxes in here.
you can throw those boxes outright.
Ultimate Guide to Spider-Man. We might need it next year. This might be one of the highlights. I got a Nephew P Hawaiian shirt. I don't know why this is happening. I got some Mickey Mouse sheets that we're going to be putting on the bed ASAP. Going on right away as soon as I finish vlogging this. We're going to put these on the bed. Disney Parks drink recipe book and cookbook. Some new PlayStation accessories, cooling station, skin for the remote, little net thing for the back of the Jeep, and that's a Manchester United hoodie down there. But the winner, the creme de la creme of this Christmas. Oh my gosh, can I do this one-handed? These Mickey Mouse Ray-Bans. Pretty sick. And they're polarized. I'm gonna pulverize all these animals that are causing a scene in this room. Part 1, Christmas Eve with Jesta's family is in the books. I'm getting ready to head over to my parents' house for phase 2 of Christmas. I stepped outside for the first time on Christmas morning, and this is ridiculous. It's like 70 degrees outside. Like, it knocks all of my Christmas gear out the window of being able to wear it. Like, I've got like 10 sick Christmas sweaters that I can't wear because it's like 70 degrees. So right now I'm rocking the Are You a God shirt because it's too hot to wear anything but a t-shirt. And Are You a God is kind of another way of asking what child is this, maybe, sort of. And it was a Christmas gift, so I guess it's Christmassy. But man, I think we're learning the true cost of global warming is that I don't get to wear my Christmas sweaters on Christmas. And it's official. It's Christmas Day. And the living's easy. That's not a song. I don't know. I lost my train of thought. We're off the rails already on this Christmas morning. Kudos to Sissy for, as always, wrapping all my presents, but I feel like she might have accidentally stuck something that was for me or Jesta in the bag that's going to my parents' house. Because, I mean, seems like way more gifts than I bought for my parents. Not that they don't deserve more gifts, but seem to be getting a lot this year. All right, you can't visit my parents' house for Christmas without checking out the village. This thing, always insane, always crazy. I'll have to ask my dad if there's any new pieces. Nothing's jumping out to me. It stands out as being obviously new, but usually has 1 or 2 new things every single year. And of course over here, outside of the city, you've got the suburbs. This is wild. I made a full video about the Christmas Village last year, so feel free to go back and watch that if you so choose.
Shoot, these little spoons aren't worth having, but I don't have enough big ones.
It's our last. We'll know what to get you next Christmas.
I know, every year I'm going to put spoons on there, but every year I forget.
Sadly, the last Christmas with Cal's Country Kitchen providing the mac and cheese and chicken and dressing. Now lit up. This is the new piece this year. The doctor's office.
Look at Cleveland, they're not a big blitz team, but I'd have to believe that Joe Woods is going to try to do something.
Goes down the hallway. Go down the hallway.
Okay, back from my parents' house for Christmas, highlighting the last of the haul that we collected while there. New Ninja coffee maker. Our old one on its last legs. Still works, but it has gotten a little wonky to say the least over the last few months. So it was the right time for a new one to come into the fold, but we'll miss you, old girl. You've served us well. Let's go see what else we collected. All right, here we go. I got this shirt that once again confirms the Jeep Wave is a real thing. Unlimited smilage, life is good. Jeep people waving to each other. That's what we do. New gloves. Ironic to get these on the warmest Christmas in Nashville history, but still, I'm sure they'll be useful at some point in time. Guardians of the Galaxy video game. New Ultra Boost for the running. And then some gift cards, a little bit of Disney, a little bit of J. Alexander's. Just what you need for Christmas. So I got some footage of this at the house earlier, but this is supposed to be a motion controlled, just little, I don't even remember what the exact name of it was, flying thing. You're supposed to be able to use your hands to direct it and can do tricks and stuff with it, but I don't really think that's the case. I think the motion sensors aren't quite as sensitive. They don't pick up things quite as well as they should, but it is hilarious to see it fly around. So one last, you got to see a little bit of it earlier. Let's see what it does now. Oh God. Where's it going? Ah! That was actually one of the longer runs we got out of it, so that'll be fun. I'm sure the cats are going to continue to love that. Oli could not stop barking at it earlier. He's chill now. I think he's gotten used to it, so that's a good sign. But with that, it's time to wrap up Christmas. Great 2-day Christmas experience. Christmas Eve with the Justice family. Christmas Day with mine. Hope yours was as wonderful as mine was. Hope you had a blessed year, a blessed holiday as I did. Definitely in a better spot this year than we were last year. I know everybody had a wonky 2020. 2021's been a little up and down, but I feel like we ended it on a high note. So, Merry Christmas to all. To all, a good night. Hope you all have a happy New Year. I hope you subscribe to the channel so you see what's to come. New Year's Eve is coming. I have no idea what I'm doing on New Year's Eve. There's no plans right now, but if it's something fun that's worth vlogging, there will be a vlog. So subscribe so that you don't miss that. Definitely will have a Titans game day vlog coming from the upcoming Dolphins game next Sunday after New Year's Eve. What else? Who's to say? The channel is open-ended now. Anything could happen at any time, but we're ending this video. Christmas is over. It was a good one. Oli had a good Christmas. Did you like your Christmas, Oli? He said yes. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Feliz Navidad. And all those other things.